Remove all parts from the package. This contains everything needed for installation. If you have your own tools, the installation experience will be much smoother. Step 1. Assemble the training wheels. Remove nut and washer. Install the retaining washers, training wheels, fender support bars, and washers in the order shown in the video and secure with nuts. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Remove the protective head tube cover. Loosen the handle screws and remove the protective handle cover. Insert the handlebar into the header beyond the minimum safety line. Make sure the handlebar angle is correct and tighten the handle screws. Loosen the handlebar screws. Tighten the handlebar screws after adjusting the handlebar angle. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Unscrew the retaining washers and nuts on both sides of the front wheel. Remove the fork protection lever and loosen the brake cable. Put the front wheel in the fork. Squeeze the brake to straighten the brake line and then tighten the brake line set screw. Unscrew the retaining nut on the fork. Install the fender and lightly screw on the retaining nut. Install the retaining washer and fender support bar in turn and tighten the nut. Fit the basket support into the position shown in the video. Tighten fender retaining nuts. Attach the basket and secure it to the basket support bar with metal spacers, screws, and nuts. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. Confirm the markings on both pedals. L is the left pedal and R is the right pedal. Insert the foot pedal into the crank and screw it down. The right pedal is tightened clockwise and the left pedal is tightened counterclockwise. Step 5. Assemble the saddle. Insert the saddle into the seat tube beyond the minimum safety line. The saddle is adjusted and the quick release is tightened. Step 6. Assemble the other accessories. Unscrew the rear reflector retaining screw. Secure the rear reflector to the frame with screws. The front reflector is fixed in the center of the handlebar. The bell is mounted close to the hand. Finally, put a protective cover on the axle. This is the end of the installation. If you have any questions, please contact us.